curlies, welcome to my channel Curly Tales. I'm Talise, and today I'm going to be doing a review and demo on the Hydra Curlformer. I actually bought this product probably over a year ago, so I kind of hope it still works. It doesn't say a date on here. It looks like this. It's kind of, it's very sticky, it's very thick. Like it looks kind of crazy. So I bought it over a year ago and I used it one time, and I thought the wash and go gave me a ton of definition, but it was very crunchy. It's one of the crunchiest wash and goes I ever had. So I'm going to see if stretching my hair with a blow dryer will scrunch the crunch out better than just an oil or something. I decided to do a review on this just because I have seen it kind of popping up on YouTube lately, and I was like, well, I have it in my closet, I might as well, use it and see if I like it better this time. If I remember correct, so this product is a product that you're supposed to apply with no leave-in, just water. The directions say apply gel to wet hair, add enough to saturate the hair, root to tip, add a little water to hands for more slip if needed. Section hair into medium-sized sections and rake and smooth until you get your desired look. So it doesn't say anything about adding any leave-ins, any creams, anything. It just says water. So I'm going to do it. It says, that's what I did last time. I didn't use a leave-in, and I definitely had definition and a hard cast. I'm not sure exactly which website I got this from, but I will link it in the description and let you guys know. I feel like this product was $20-something, which is crazy because I don't really buy products that cost $20 and up. But I saw a woman at this natural hair show in Detroit, and she used this and her hair was popping. I thought it was beautiful. And she said this was the only product that she used. So I was like, well, if it's just one product for the whole wash and go, it might be worth the $20. So I bought it and I only used it once. So let's get my money's worth out of this.
Well, really, I'm cheap as hell. And
before we get into the video, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right underneath the video. And if you are a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, let me know down below in the comments and I'll subscribe back. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to be spraying my hair with some warm water, and I'm going to pretty much be fully saturating it just because water is my only leave-in. And then I'm going to be detangling with my new wet brush, which I mentioned in my Ulta haul video. I think it is so cute. It's got a girl with a rainbow afro on it and some sunglasses and some big earrings. And I'm going to be putting this brush to the test because, as I mentioned in my haul video, I bought a wet brush in the past and I did not like how it detangled. So I'm going to try one more wet brush, and this is like the cutest one possible. So I already wet up my shirt, so we're gonna see how wet this is gonna get. So I'm starting with about this much. I just want to show you guys, like, this is like some kind of jelly. I don't even know. I don't have any gels that are like this. But I'm just going to do what it said. It says start at the roots and then rake it down. Now when it touches the hair, it does become a lot smoother. You can smooth it down the hair shaft. And I'm just raking it through and I'm smoothing my hair. And I'm going to spray it with a little bit more water, because it kind of already soaked up all the water. This is a really crazy product. The last time I did this, I was in the shower, and I think that that's a better way to apply this product, just because I feel like you want your hair to be soaking wet. So this is what my hair is looking like so far. I haven't shingled or anything. My curls are smooth. There's basically no frizz. So I'm just going to keep on applying this product In the same way, I'm going to spray my hair with water, detangle with the brush, and then add some of the curl former, and I will see you guys when I'm done. Okay, I just finished this wash and go, and the definition and the shine, all of that is going crazy. As for this brush, I did like it. I liked it a lot better than the other wet brush that I bought. It did a great job at detangling, and I didn't have any leave-in or anything on my hair, so it really did a great job. I used about a lot of this curl former. This was my second time using it. I think I might have enough for one more wash and go, maybe. What I can say about this product so far is that it is very sticky. It is so sticky, like my hands are legit sticking together right now, but I am loving the way that it's looking so far. This is what the back is looking like. I can't even see it, but I know that it's popping just by the way the front looks. I did do a little bit of shingling in the front, but other than that, I just was raking and smoothing. This product did a great job of clumping my curls together. I'm going to let my hair dry overnight. I'm probably going to put it into some plaits before I go to bed. And I will come back tomorrow to show you guys what my hair is looking like and tell you how it's feeling after it's fully dry. Okay, it's the next day. My hair is now fully dry. It is hella crunchy. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the crunch is serious. But because the crunch is so serious, there is virtually no frizz.
Frizz-free curls? The frizz-free curls.
So I am very happy about that. But this is by far the crunchiest wash and go I have ever had. Like, this Hydra hair curl former, it gives me the absolute crunchiest wash and go. But today I am going to be trying to stretch my hair to see if I can scrunch the crunch that way and also get some length because it has shrunk up to here and I'm not feeling it. Okay, so I'm just going to stretch my hair quickly on camera. If you're looking for a more detailed tutorial on how I stretch my hair with a blow dryer, be sure to check out my video. I'll be sure to link it in the description. And I'm just going to get started. I'm going to speed this up and I will see you guys when I'm done. So I'm going to be stretching my hair. I do not know what kind of blow dryer this is. The whole thing has kind of faded off. But I'm going to be stretching my hair on warm, on high, and I'm going to be continuously pressing the cool shot button. Okay, so I just finished stretching my hair with the blow dryer, and this is what it's looking like. It's still super crunchy. Not as crunchy, but crunchy. This is what the back is looking like. It don't have that much movement, but it has some, and I like it. I mean, it is hard, but that just means it's gonna last at least 7 days in this piece. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there is absolutely no frizz. Usually if I stretch my hair with a blow dryer, I at least get a little bit, but I got none. So I am very happy. And so I'll be back probably tomorrow or the day after that to show you how it's holding up. And I'm probably going to band my hair. I am going to band my hair tonight when I go to bed. And I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye. So this is my hair on day 4. Crazy day 4 hair. It is still crunchy. I did scrunch some more of the crunch out using my Melanin multi-use pure oil blend. But I didn't get it all. It is still very crunchy, which means it is still very defined and there is minimal frizz, like, period.
Period.
There's no frizz. I am loving it. I don't have like that much volume, but I like the volume that I have, and I feel like it's just gonna keep getting bigger, and the cast will keep, you know, scrunching as the days go on. This is what the back is looking like. It's crunchy, but it has movement. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see how far we can take this wash and go. Hopefully we can get it past day 7. I'm not really worried about getting it past day 7 just because it still has a cast on day 4. So I'm just gonna be banding my hair. I band my hair every night and we're gonna see how far this can go. This is how my hair is looking at the end of day 6. It is definitely finally got some frizz going on, and it is really full and voluminous, and I like that. And it still has a lot of definition too, but I have finally kind of found some cons to this product because my hair feels really dry.
Oh, hell no!
I had to add some oil just so it wouldn't feel like so dry. It feels like there's no moisture in it. Like, even though I added the oil, it still feels dry. So I was actually thinking of repurchasing this because it's almost gone, but now that I see how dry my hair feels, and this package tells you not to apply anything else but this. So and it costs like 20 bucks. So if I do need to use other stuff with it, then what is it doing? Started out this week thinking that this was a complete success, but now I don't know if I want to call it a fail or not. I'd probably say I would probably give this product maybe a 7 out of 10, because the definition is insane and the no frizz I had for so long is also crazy, and this volume is nice. I just wish it felt moisturized. Okay, well, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment any videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching.